Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Today I'm going to tell you guys about my story. I'm 15 years old and I'm currently a student at SMA Pesat School of Talents. People often describe me as a humble person that likes to share some of his jokes. I also is an active student, but I usually just ask if it's actually important. I also love to learn a lot of new things because I want to be a multi-talented person. But between all of the things that I have learned, I love math the most. Anyway, my house is located at Johar 4th Street, numbers 8, Block C4, Ciomas in Pagelaran. My hobby is to ride my bicycle around my neighborhood because I think it's a good way to refresh my brain. I also love to play some video games in the weekend because I think it's a good way to train my brain because I usually just play some strategy-based or puzzle-based video games. In the future, I want to go to another country and be a corporate worker. I was born in Bogor in 2009, 24 June to be exact. I was born in a happy family. I love both of my parents. I love both of my grandparents. My father is a good role model. He is a wise and smart man. In the other side, my mom is the sweetest mom ever. She will do anything to make her children happy. My grandparents is also very sweet. I really love all of them. I really love all of my family members. Because of them, I can be at this point and keep pushing forward. My activities start at 5 a.m. and after that I take a bath at 6 a.m. and I put on my uniform and go to the dining room at 6 and 15 a.m. After that I finish eating my breakfast at 6:30 a.m. and after that I go to school and arrive at school at 6:50. And I was spending my time from 7 a.m. till 4 p.m. After that, the school was ending, I will just go home and take another shower. After that, I wait for Maghrib prayer and I do my Maghrib prayer at 6 p.m. After I do my Maghrib prayer, I usually just jump on my bed and play some video games. And after that, I just wait for Isha prayer and I do my Isha prayer at 7 p.m. and after that, I do another session of gaming while also bringing my laptop to play some more video games. My activities ended at 10 p.m. and I ended it by doing some good night's sleep. And that's how my day ends. Thank you for your attention. I guess that's all from me. I hope with that we can know each other more. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.